Hello everybody, welcome. This is Miss Jones with Legacy's Little Luxuries, and today is my first live video on a craft project. I hope my memory card does me good because this is the first time I am doing a live video. Also, I have the supplies already out and I have already Mod Podged the glittered items so that I don't get glitter all over the place. I have an issue with glitter. I don't really like working with it, but it does add an attractive ensemble to your project. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to show you is a shoe. Now, I buy these shoes wholesale, and this one's a size 7. It already is decorated with roses, and I think this would make a very nice Valentine's centerpiece. So we're going to use this shoe today. If you watch my other videos, you will see this shoe in some of my promos. Anyhow, this is how we're going to decorate it. You can decorate this with live flowers or fake flowers. If you were to do live flowers, you would have to line the inside of the shoe first, okay? That way no water gets absorbed into the fabric of the shoe. So you would line it and fold it over, and then you'd add your foam, and then you can add your live flowers. But today I'm going to show you how to do it with fake flowers, and you don't have to water it and mess with it, okay? Anyways, this is wholesale. You can Google wholesale stilettos and see what you come up with. And I think I got this pair for $10. Well, I usually save all my foam from my deliveries, like from the shoes. So what I'm going to do is just cut some foam and add it into the shoe, okay? I don't glue it in, I just add it in case I want to repurpose this shoe again. It's better to do it this way. And just put it in here, wherever you want to poke in your accessories. I think I'm going to add a little piece up here at the top. Maybe right here on the side, just to make it a little bit wider. Anyways, that's all you have to do. And don't even glue it in. And that way you can just pull it all off and use the shoe again if you need to, okay? So now the next step is to cover this white foam. And usually I take the leaves off of these Dollar Tree floral picks and then glue them. But I don't think I'm going to have enough today because I've been using a lot of these, and I just save these for later, but I use the leaves too when I do projects. So what I'm going to do today is add green moss, the moss that you buy at Dollar Tree for $1. And just simply add the glue now and press it into your foam, okay? Just to cover it. You don't need a lot. This idea also can be used when you do your fairy gardens this spring. Use your foam, save all your foam from any packages you get delivered. And that's what builds up your terrariums, is foam. Just enough to cover it. And I'm going to try to hurry along because, like I said, I do not know how long my camera's going to hold out on me. This is the first time doing this. I can't afford all the doodads and gadgets that people have when they create their live videos. I'm retired, I'm on disability, I have a brain tumor, and try to craft on a budget. I think this will about do it. And go around and trim it up. Don't need a lot of this stuff. A little bit more glue. Hope the camera is focused in the project. If it's not, I'm sorry. I'll get better at shooting these videos as they go along, okay? You know how it goes. Clean up the area. I need one of those little brushes to sweep stuff away. Spend 5 minutes on the video just cleaning up every section as I go along. Okay, so we have the green moss in, okay? And I think I'll start with the biggest pick. And I picked this up at Family Dollar when the Christmas clearance went on sale. And you get them for like 50 cents. I'm going to trim off some of the leaves. Like I said, I already Mod Podged. So glitter's not going to fall all over the place. I think I'll just stick it right here for now. What do you think? It's not too tall. Add a little glue in the front. Okay. Now I'm going to go along with my bigger roses. I think I will use a couple of red ones. Snip them off with wire cutters. Add some height. Just go along and poke them in. No particular order. Just enough to balance. Get them in here first. I want to take the time right now to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I started Legacy's Little Luxuries about 5 years ago just to make some extra money for my granddaughter Legacy. When she turns 18, she can have a little spending money. With everything I sell, I donate all the profit to her bank account. And you never know how much time you have left either on earth, so I started it. And I do like to craft. I've been crafting for like 35 years. Alright, we'll put in some of these Dollar Tree picks. Maybe one up here. Maybe cut it a little shorter. What do you think? Just kind of, you know, place it where you want to place them. I think I might add some pink to this. Maybe well, maybe not. I don't know. Come back to that idea. Alright, I'm going to use some of the baby's breath. Kind of stick them in here and there. Anyways, I think you're getting the main idea. Here's my clippers right in front of me. another one right here maybe. Okay, let's get this side. And my granddaughter, Legacy, loves to craft, and this is our craft room. She usually sits across the table from me. Okay, kind of, you know, so far, what do you think? You know? Maybe some baby's breast in the back. And then put one of those, another one of those hearts. But this one's a little too tall. What do you think? You know, so far, I mean, really, you don't need a lot. And I think maybe a rose here, which I'll glue. Try to cover up some of that white too. And let's see, can I use these that I trimmed off from the fern just for accents? Maybe. See what it does. Okay, let's try that. You know, always purpose what you use. You'd be surprised what you could come up with your imagination. You know, your creation's not going to be like anyone else. So have fun with it. That's what I tell Legacy. Never be afraid to add something you already have. She has a whole drawer of craft supplies, and she keeps constantly telling me she needs to go to the, excuse me, the Dollar Tree to get more. And I keep telling her, no, you don't. You have quite a bit already at home. Use what you have. And that's why I really like it when she sits across from me, because she may be doing something else, but she's always glancing over at me, seeing how I'm adding stuff to the projects. Don't have to say much to her. She's going to watch. Children soak everything in like a sponge. So what do you think? You can see the glitter. I'll just go around and add some more. I think I'm going to use an ostrich feather. I have not used any of these yet. These are real. I get these on moonfeather.com. You know, kind of gives it the 1920s look to your projects. Not that I lived in the 1920s. I was born in the 60s. I just love feathers. You know, work with them. Work with what you have. This project, other than the shoe, and I already told you how much that cost, it's not very expensive to make. What do you think? So you're getting the basic idea? I'm going to add a little bit more later. I think I'm going to add some leaves here, but under a time constraint, and I'm not sure if my video is going to run out my SIM card. I'm going to stop, and you'll be able to see this design when I promo my other videos coming up. But I plan on using probably this dragonfly somewheres. And what I do is when I do use roses with the Dollar Tree, floral rose picks we buy, I will save these because that's where I'll repurpose and add. You'll see diamonds, and you'll see all kinds of little stuff that I'll add into the shoe. Well, it's going to be on one of these, okay? And so repurpose it. And then you'll just be able to stick it in, and voila, there you go. So thank you for watching. Let me grab the camera. Hopefully it's still running. Yes. Thank you. See? So look for it in the next videos. And I thank you for stopping in. I wanted to show you Legacy, and I worked on this over the weekend. It's a book fold with the mixed media art on it. She wanted candy, so we added candy for the roof. It's a birdhouse, but I also made a little card holder, threw candy in there, and then over there I made a little fence. So you add metal on top of like music notes. Then you add your different types of textures of fabric, which, you know, that would even include your florals and lace and pearls. And then she threw a dove on the top. I told her she had to glue it. And here you go. Something you can do over the weekend with your grandchild. Look for the video on the book fold. It's not hard to do. It's just finding the right book on how you want to do it. Other book folders artists, they do take the main part right off the binder, and then they continue around and make it like a separate house. I like to keep it attached to the book, and to me, so that way I can add like a background, add a little story, add more color. But that's me. Once again, thanks a lot for watching. And if I'm stuttering and stammering, like I said, it's my first video. I'm trying to go fast, and I appreciate everything you guys comment and everything you guys buy from me on my Facebook page at Legacy's Little Luxuries. I might even put this shoe up for sale. I'm not sure, but I have a lot more to do with it. But I just wanted to show you a basic way of making something really unique. You know, stand out from other artists and do something like this, a stiletto centerpiece. And use what you already have. I send my blessings to your family from my family. Find me on Pinterest under Jonesy Home Sweet Home. Find me on Twitter under Firearm Handbags. I sell concealed carry handbags. And find me on Google. My business, like I said, has been up for I think 5 years now on Google. And Google Business. And see you again. Bye.